Before you skip this video and start scrolling through more YouTube videos, I ask you to stop and give me a chance to share something valuable. If you're looking to make real money online, listen up. Many people searching for ways to earn money online want quick cash that they can spend within hours. It's like a 9-to-5 routine, except you're stuck at home instead of in an office. You might earn a few bucks for today, but what about tomorrow? It's the same story every day. However, there's a different group of people like you who started their own business and achieved financial, time, and location freedom. You're no different from them. In fact, you might even be smarter than most. So why are you here? Because your approach to making money is wrong. Stick with me, and I'll introduce you to a business you can start right now, before 2024. By the end of this video, you'll understand why I mentioned 2024. I'll guide you through starting your own business from scratch using a free online platform. Specifically, we'll delve into selling digital planners. But before I explain what a digital planner is, let me show you an incredible example of a shop that has amassed over 36,000 sales with only 21 items. Which is mind-blowing. If we consider an average price of $6.90, that's more than $250,000. So, stay tuned, and I'll reveal how you can achieve this level of success. Throughout this video, I'll teach you how to create your own digital planners using a free online tool and reveal the optimal time to sell them for maximum profit. You need to know what a digital planner is before you can make and sell them. A digital planner, very simply, is a good replacement for a traditional paper planner. It usually comes in the form of a PDF that can be written on with a stylus or other input methods. What are they used for? Digital planners have features that can help people keep track of their goals, to-do lists, and meetings. And the last question is why people use them instead of traditional paper planners. One benefit of digital planners is that they are often hyperlinked, so you can quickly move from one section to another by clicking on different sections or links. For example, on this planner, by clicking on a specific day or segment, can take you to another part of the planner. Now that we know what a digital planner is, we can discuss the free tool that can be used to create them, which is Canva.com. Canva is an online graphic design platform that offers a wide range of templates, tools, and resources to create various visual content, including digital planners. It provides a user-friendly interface and requires no design experience, making it accessible to beginners and professionals alike. With Canva, you can start from scratch or choose from a selection of pre-designed templates specifically created for digital planners. These templates often include layouts for calendars, goal tracking, to-do lists, habit trackers, and other planner elements. You can customize the templates by adding text, images, colors, and other design elements to match your personal style and preferences. When using Canva to create a digital planner, you have the option to select from a variety of free planner templates created by other designers and customize them. After signing up on Canva, simply navigate to the Search tab and search for digital planners. When exploring the templates, it's important to note that not all of them are free. You can identify this by hovering your mouse over a template. If you see a small dollar icon, it indicates that the template contains paid elements. On the other hand, if you see a premium icon, it means that the template is exclusively available for premium members. However, let's focus on finding the free templates. The most efficient approach is to apply a filter that shows only the templates that are available for free. To do this, click on the All Filters button, which will show all available filters. Scroll down until you find the Price section, and then click on Free and Apply. By doing this, you will narrow down your search results to find only the templates that are available for free. For example, let's take a look at a simple daily planner template that I've chosen. By clicking on it, you will be redirected to the edit page where you can customize it to your liking. This particular template is designed for daily planning throughout the year, but keep in mind that more comprehensive daily planners often include additional features like habit trackers and to-do lists, which you can explore on platforms like Etsy to find successful digital planner designs. Customizing your digital planner is incredibly easy, even for beginners. The interface uses intuitive icons that guide you through the editing process. For instance, changing the background color is as simple as clicking on the background and selecting a color from the default options, or using the color wheel to add a custom color. You can also personalize the fonts, colors, and every other aspect to suit your preferences. One important feature to note is the hyperlink feature, which allows you to navigate between pages with a single click. To demonstrate this, let's link a page to the month of January. First, we'll add a new page and then link it to the January button by clicking on the three dots and selecting the link option. These are the fundamental steps you need to know to create your own digital planner. However, to provide you with more comprehensive guidance, I recommend watching a video tutorial that walks you through the process of designing your own digital planner from scratch. Please note that I am promoting this video only to assist you in understanding and learning about creating your own digital planner. The video also explains how you can upload it on Etsy. To further enhance your understanding of a complete digital planner that can generate income, I will provide a link to a free sample from the successful shop that I mentioned earlier. I recommend that you take a closer look at this sample to enhance your understanding of the elements and features typically found in a professional digital planner that can be offered for sale. As I mentioned before, I highly recommend conducting thorough research on the free sample digital planner before 2024. This will help you understand the planner and enable you to create a professional digital planner of your own. Keep in mind that during the start of the new year, there is a high demand for digital planners because many individuals are seeking effective tools for organizing and planning their goals and activities for the upcoming year, making December a particularly opportune time to capitalize on this trend. Now let's discuss marketing strategies. You can use platforms like TikTok and Pinterest to promote your Etsy shop. I suggest using both to maximize your visibility and reach. Additionally, there are free Etsy keyword analyzers available that can help you track the search trends for digital planners, allowing you to gauge the demand for specific features and designs. If you're willing to invest a few $100s into your business, you can also consider running ads on Etsy, where the cost per click ranges from 20 cents to 50 cents. Finally, if you found this video helpful, please press the like button and share your thoughts on the comment section. Don't forget to click on the bell icon to stay updated with my upcoming videos on more money-making ideas that can help you achieve financial freedom. Until the next video, take care and best of luck on your journey.